viewers, welcome to my channel The Mom's Corner. So today I'll be giving a quick review on Bumpadum Cloth Duet Nighttime Diapers, which I've been using for a quite I would say 2 to 3 weeks. This Bumpadum diapers which I ordered came in this cute little box. They arrived very early, I would say, within a span of 4 or 5 days. This box, the diaper comes in this cute little pouch which you can use it later on also. Now these are the diapers which I've been using. These are Duet nighttime diapers, and I would say the cloth is really very soft. The prints are really beautiful, and this I got from my baby boy. This is the inner lining. It has 2 snaps here. This comes at the back, so it doesn't have any pocket like super bottom basic or super bottom Uno shell. So you have to snap it over and above, which is a negative point for me, depending on your choice whether you want to put it in or you want to put it out. So I had ordered this separately, and this insert separately. So this is a 8-layer insert. All in all it is 8 plus 8, 16 layers. So you snap this insert and the 2 snaps which are given, and you use it after folding. So you can fold it like this, you can fold it like this, tri-fold. If you have a baby boy, as they are wetter at the front, you can tri-fold in the middle. For baby girls who are heavy wetters at the center. So these I would say these inserts, they are really nice and long. However, they get very heavy after the use. So I use it obviously during the nap time, and their absorbency is around 2 to 3 years for my baby boy, which is on a higher side, heavy wetter. So I would recommend this during the daytime. Comparing with the super bottoms, they have slightly different setting. They have wings like this. You fold them like this around the baby's waist and put the diaper like this, and then you snap it. So you have to remember the settings each time till the time you change these settings. So you can cross snap this depending on the waist and the thigh. If your baby's thighs are chunky, you can snap it along the waist here and along the thighs here, or along the waist here, along the thighs here, depending on thigh thickness and waist size of the waist. So they have this Bumpadum logo at the back, which comes just above the baby's bum, which is very nice. The elastics are nice. They have put nice soft elastic. It doesn't make any marks, not even here, not even here. However, this, when you fold it like this thing can make marks on your baby. It makes my marks on my baby, since it is a very thin stitching. If it is broad stitching, it won't make any mark, but since it is a thin stitching, it makes like a piping and makes marks on your baby's thighs. However, these marks are not harmful. They will just go away in 10 to 15 minutes. So Bumpadums are, they have sent me this pack with this instruction book, do's and don'ts, which are behind this pamphlet, and they seemed very eco-conscious. So they have done a nice survey or nice research, I would say, about the water you use for disposable and non-disposable, the solid waste you create by using disposable ones and non-disposable ones, and the amount of money you save by using both kind of diapers. And same things on the other side. So I would say it will be very helpful to create awareness amongst the people. Now this is the last thing in the bag. So this is a nice pamphlet. It has all about Bumpadum diapers on each side. Nice cute baby boys and baby girl. And in between, again, they have given settings, how to set these diapers according to your baby's age and according to your baby's weight. And this is the thing which I've been using. And I'll just give you a quick brownie point which they give actually. For every super bottom, every bumpadum purchase, you get brownie points, which you can use later on for your other purchases. Uh, I use super bottoms insert, the tri-fold insert, which I find very nice for nighttime use in this. So instead of using this only for the daytime, I use this shell for the day and night times using the super bottom insert with the booster pack. So but if these buttons would have been little higher, it would be very nice. Otherwise, it is still okay for me to use it at night. So I would suggest you buy. You can actually mix and match all the diapers. You can buy shells from one brand if you like shells of one kind. You can buy inserts of one brand if you like inserts. I've also got some hemp insert which I use instead again as a booster pack. So I have made thin inserts and I use booster pack to reduce the thickness, which I will review in. I will give you a quick review in my some other video. So that's all from my side, ladies. If you like it and if this video helps it, please like, share and comment. You can ask me any question regarding Bumpadum diaper, Bumpadum Nuet diaper, since I've been using only this kind of diaper and the insert, and any super bottoms which I've been using. So thank you. Bye bye. Good day.